What? 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 Hey guys, so what's going on? I have fucking buffalo ears, Joanne, so I'm gonna tuck them in before I get into the fucking video. Let's fucking go. Alright, so my fucking ears are not even tucked in because they're too fucking big / small. Anyway, so I hope you guys have an awesome day. If you're not, you're fucking shit cunt. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video of Jaden Pedersen Vlogs. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. There's a few things I have to do today, such as clean my fucking car. If you guys can see, that's just the windscreen. And yeah, if I was to show you the outside, you'll understand. So I'm just vlogging on me fucking G7X, I think it is. Yeah, Canon G7X. Excuse me, sorry if the fucking audio is a little bit fucked, but yeah, that's what it is. Starting on my new fucking diet as well. So I'm just starting on my new diet, guys. So I've had, like, this is probably the second week without any Coca-Cola, any sugary shit. So go me, because you know that's fucking awesome. I do have natural sugars though, and stuff like that, and I've lost 3 kilos, believe it or not. So that's another thing that's good. So let's just get into this day. I just fucking hate looking at the stash because, you know, that fucking check engine light, mate. Nah, it's honestly, I've replaced both issues. So I've scanned it with my scanner and it comes up with fucking wastegate solenoid thing, and I've replaced that with the Turbo Smart one, and I replaced the heater control valve, something like that, and I tried clearing it and it still hasn't cleared. So I honestly don't know. I think it's just a Ford thing. So yeah, let's fucking go. You guys probably think fucking, wow, he's in the fucking driver's seat. No, brother, no, that's not the case at all. I can't drive. As much as I want to, as much as I really want to, I can't fucking drive because medically I'm not allowed to drive because this stupid fucked up leg. But yeah. So I need to do a few things, go to Bunnings and grab a few things, fix up my headlight. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe if you're new, and also share around with your mates because it helps me bloody make some more content for you guys. Also guys, I'm sorry if I'm talking a little bit weird because my lower gum is deciding to like fucking detach from my teeth, so that's good. Now I have to go to the dentist on Monday because it's Saturday, and yeah, it's just fucked. So yes, and mind this fucking second head, I swear I'm not Tasmanian. Fucking long ass intro, so let's just fucking go. Let's just fucking do it. Dad. So after yesterday being so bloody hot, today is fucking 17 degrees. Brisbane, mate, you fucking mind. This is why I'm a fucking terrible vlogger. I've ended up out at fucking Redcliffe here, and yeah. So sorry guys. Yeah, I'm just terrible. So things I need to do today is, one, I need to wash the car or get the car washed, and then I need to go to Bunnings, grab a few things from there, and then do the shit that I need to do on my car. So the few things I need to grab from Bunnings are double-sided tape and some paint so I can paint the calipers. And yeah, it's gonna be good.
groove.
That toasty was fucking foul.
Too much.
Hey guys, so I just dropped the car off at Eco Blue there. Yeah, it's just getting the detail done. Check back in soon. Both ways before you cross the street. And there's our car over there. I swear Dad goes over every time and he says make sure you do an awesome job. Every time. No. But she looks clean. Oh fuck yeah. She's clean. So I just finished there the Eco Blue. It's fucking good. Good shit. $89. Good shit. Feel bad getting here dirty. What are your thoughts, Dad?
I'm gonna get it dirty.
Oh yeah?
Go keep it.
So we're off to Bunnings now. Dad doesn't know what we're getting at Bunnings, but yeah.
A little more.
A little more apparently.
We've already taken.
Just gonna buy some of these bad boys.
Yeah, 10.
So after Bunnings is Ray's car, and we're going over Super Cheap to get some paint. Let's get it. Tell me in the comment section which colour you'll choose. This one here, that colour there, that red there, that goldy colour there, or that bronze gold colour there. Leave me know in the comments what colour you would pick. So I ended up going with the blue because, you know, blue with them is going to look good. Mad. So I'm just doing this in my lounge room, but the reason why... Anyway, so the reason why I have to do this is because this double-sided tape that was applied was like literally not even a millimeter thin. Thick. And so yeah, it didn't hold. So I've gone to Bunnings and grabbed some of this shit. And yeah, because it's outdoor mounting, so yeah, there's a picture of a car, not a Focus, so yep, we're going to put it on there and see if it holds. So yep, awesome stuff. Like, I will admit, if you can hear, this is really sticky. So, fucking just gonna... I farted. Alright, so far so good. Let's fucking get it. Sorry, I'm just a little bit anxious to get this fucking thing open because it's, you know, sticking to everything. This is fucking sticky as all fuckery. Jasper, you alright? You dying? I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, is that... Oh, okay. Okay, turns out that I'm peeling off something that I'm not meant to. That's good. I literally don't know what I'm doing. Send help, someone. It's all good, I'm just gonna fucking wing it. Oh, okay. What the fuck? Now, every time, I don't think I'm unraveling it right. Because now, if I was to store it away for a rainy day, it will get fucking dirt all over it. So I don't think I'm fucking unraveling it right. So there we have it. Or, unless I'm meant to do that. I don't know, I think this is fucking fucked. Oh nah, I have to. So that's it there. It's all nicely stuck down. And I did a little bit extra to rub over the exposed LED strip. So yeah, I'm going to quickly smash out the other one and go install in the car and show you what it does. So as you can see, it's already coming away. This is the other headlight I have to do. So yeah, I'm going to quickly smash this out and yep, get this done right now. So this tape is fucked. It is weird. I wouldn't recommend it to my worst enemy. Nah, like honestly, it should, that green shit should be on the top. If you know what I mean. Like if you've ever worked with double-sided tape, you know what I mean. Like that green shit should be on the top, not on the bottom. That's weird shit. No more janky fucking strip. So yeah, let's go install them in the car. I don't know how good you can see. Sorry about the wind. But yeah, it's a flow form. So it's going straight. Hang on, where's my finger? It's going straight like that. And then Parker's on, daytime running lights and all that good jazz. So yeah, looks good. I will have to show you at night time because daytime it doesn't really do us justice. But yeah, it looks good. Hey guys, so this is probably where I'm going to leave today's video, in the back seat of the Fuckus, because you know it's nice and clean and nice and spacious in the back. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed at all anything you saw in this video, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, because yeah, why the fuck not. I will be adding a little video of all the lights I've done in the past week and a half, so you guys can get the gist of what they're all about and whatnot. But yeah, so, and Dad's trying to call me. So yeah, until next time, catch us all later. Dab on the fucking haters. Dab, 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 dab. Fuck on the fuck.